Currently, social media is an important part of any business. However, you still need a website. Here's why. Thank you for watching this presentation. Here are 5 reasons why a website is still an important part of any business. Although you absolutely do need a website, social media is an important component of your marketing strategy. Almost everyone is on a social media platform these days. Social media is important because it helps you have a stronger, more personal connection with your customer. It helps potential customers become more aware of what your company has to offer, and it is an excellent gateway to your website. However, social media accounts require constant attention. You must post on them multiple times a day, and not everyone sees your post depending on the time of day and whether your platform's algorithm allows your visitors to see your content. With a website, your content is easily visible to everyone who visits your site. Everyone gets the same look and feel with a social media page. You can add pictures and memes, but social media is not unique to you and the picture you're trying to paint for your customer. For instance, I'm a web designer, and one of my selling points is my company's website. It proves I know my stuff because I built it. You can show pictures of your work and products on social media, but you really can't clearly convey what you want your customer to feel when they do business with you. What is the first thing you do when you want to know more about a company? Without even thinking about it, most people Google the business name to learn more about them. On a rare occasion, a social media profile will be listed, but still there is not enough info on that profile to give the customer what they really want to know in order to make a decision on whether or not to do business with you. 81% of shoppers conduct online research before buying, and 89% of customers begin their buying process with a search engine. Search engines will not find you if you don't have a website. To a potential customer, a good-looking, professional website says you're serious about your business. A layer of trust is added because you took the time to tell your story through your website. Another pitfall to social media posts are that they are listed in order between date and time, and important information about your website or your business could be missed. Let's pretend you had this spectacular post that you posted on your social media profile, and for a while it got tons of likes and shares, and then all of a sudden there was nothing. This is because your post is on a timeline, and once it gets further down that timeline, fewer people will see that post. This is why it's important to have a website. Your information is in one place, and it won't be missed by people visiting your site. Unless you are using social media ads to have your posts seen by the right people, its lifespan is definitely going to be short. Targeting the right people through paid advertising is an advantage of social media, but if you don't know the right people to target, your ad will not be seen by the right people. So to recap, both websites and social media accounts are important for your business. They both need constant upkeep, and you don't have control over the look and feel of a social media page or the content you provide on that platform. Search engines will have a hard time finding you if you don't have a website, and your credibility will be shaky at best because people usually want to see a website before they decide to do business with you. And social media posts are on a chronological order, which means your post goes down a timeline, and the further down it gets, it doesn't get seen by anyone. Unless you're using paid advertising, your post will not reach your target audience. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded.